Hey guys, I got the Klein Quad wrench set. You see right here we have 1/2 inch and 5/8, and we have the flippy thing to go both directions. If you flip it over, we have 3/4 and 9/16. One thing I like to point out is the numbers are actually engraved into the metal. So even if these colors wear off, you can still tell which one it is. The part number is not engraved, and you see I've gotten it pretty dirty over the last couple of months. I've used it quite a bit. You can see I got a little scratch there. One thing I really like about them too is they stop. So I think this is 9/16 bolt. You see it goes down there, and if you can see, that's as far as it will go. So it doesn't fall down while you're trying to ratchet. So you can sit here and ratchet all day long if you want. Very nice feature. The other thing I like is, you guys probably know when you work on the air handler and it's right up against the wall and you need to get in there and get a 1/4 inch or 5/16 screw loose. You can't get anything in there hardly except for a wrench. And these will go right between the wall and grab it and get it off of there. Now I do have like a little tiny baby ratchets that I normally use for that, but this works really well too. It has a good weight to it. It's going to be kind of hard to say a lot about that. You have to feel it for yourself. But it is kind of hefty, but not too heavy. It feels good in the hand. And what I like about that is I can stick these two in my tool bag and take all the other ones out. And this is now less weight and less space in my tool bag. And that makes a huge difference when you're dragging, a 200-pound tool bag up on the roof. A huge difference. These are the most common sizes I use. I rarely need anything else. And if I do, I can go back to the van and grab them. But 99% of the time, this is going to do everything I need it to do. I don't foresee any longevity issues with it. It's well made. The clicks are nice, whatever that means. But it works. It's well made. It's not going anywhere. I think these are going to last me the rest of my career. The part number for the big one is 68215. I don't know if you can buy that by itself because mine came in a kit with the 2 wrenches. And the part number for the smaller one is 68214. And I'll look for the part number for the kit and I'll put that in the description. So I forgot now, did I mention it works on the puller? So normally I use a 3/4 socket for this, and you can see this fits on there and goes around, around, around. And I think I did cover that already. It's like 105 degrees out here and I'm melting all over everything. But it's a great product. I wouldn't suggest you buy it to work on your car. There's another video where the guy bought this for his car, auto mechanic, and then he went online and just went nuts on it. He could not comprehend that this was not designed for auto mechanics. I don't know why he doesn't just sell the thing, but this is for HVAC and electricians, not for auto mechanics. So do not buy it to work on your car. It's not that it won't work on your car, but obviously it's not made to reach up in a lot of tight spaces. So it's not the kind of thing you would want to buy for that. And plus it doesn't have an open end. And there's going to be times when you need to open end to break things loose. Most of the time what we do in HVAC, the bolts aren't that tight, and this does just fine with that. So anyway, take a look. If you don't already have it, consider getting it. I think you won't be disappointed.